Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we want to address a question that many of us have pondered: what is the key to success? Well, we stumbled upon a fascinating quote by Albert Schweitzer, and it got us thinking. He said, "Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success." If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Now, let's dive into this idea and uncover the truth behind it. Have you ever felt trapped in a job you didn't enjoy? Perhaps you've been chasing after success, believing it would bring happiness, only to find that it's still elusive. You're not alone. Many people fall into the same trap, thinking that success alone is the ultimate goal. But what if I told you there's another way? Let's explore the solution. According to Schweitzer, the key to success lies in happiness. So, how do we find happiness? Well, the answer lies in doing what we love. Think about it, when you're engaged in something you truly enjoy, time seems to fly by. You're energized, passionate, and motivated. This inner joy and fulfillment are what drive us to go the extra mile, unlocking the doors to success. Now, you might be wondering, how can I apply this to my own life? It's time for some actionable steps. Step 1. Identify your passions and interests. Take some time to reflect on what truly brings you joy. It could be a hobby, a talent, or a particular field of work. Remember, success doesn't have to be limited to a traditional career path. Embrace your unique passions. Step 2. Make a plan. Once you've discovered what you love, create a roadmap. Set realistic goals and outline the steps needed to achieve them. Break it down into manageable chunks and celebrate each milestone along the way. This process will keep you motivated and focused on the bigger picture. Step 3. Take action and embrace challenges. Success rarely comes without challenges. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, your passion will fuel your determination, allowing you to overcome obstacles with resilience. By following these steps, you're aligning your life with what you truly love, paving the way for happiness and ultimately, success. But we don't want you to just watch this video and forget about it. We want to encourage you to take action. So here's your challenge. Start implementing these steps today. Share your progress with us in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who might benefit from this message. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey. And when you embark on that journey with happiness in your heart, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.